It feeds more people than any other food on Earth. But have you ever wondered how rice is made?
Rice begins its journey in flooded fields called paddies. Rice plants grow in warm, wet environments.
When the rice is mature, it is harvested by hand or with machines.
The harvested rice is then transported to a rice mill for processing.
At the mill, the rice is dried to reduce moisture and prevent spoilage.
The outer husk is removed, turning raw rice into brown rice. Further milling removes the bran to produce white rice. The rice is polished and sorted to ensure quality and consistency.
The finished rice is packaged and prepared for shipment.
From flooded fields to family meals, that is how rice is made.
It sustains more lives than any other grain. But do you know the journey behind every bowl? A journey behind every bowl.
From flooded fields to family meals, that is how